Welcome back to the channel. How are you guys doing today? It's Friday, TGIF, and of course, the market is going to be rounding up within a few minutes from now. What has been your take home from this week? How has been your trading this week? Right? Of course, as I said earlier, the market is done and dusted for this week. So I would always advise that you use the weekend to do market review. So what we have right in front of us is the dollar index, the popular DXY. And of course, for about 2 weeks plus 3 weeks, we've been having the market move sideways, ranging. And then what we had going into Friday, because last week Friday, we had the non-farm payroll, which of course produced this massive candle, as you can see. And then we had a breakout of these highs over here from the range. And then as it broke out, moved into Monday. And then if you look very well, for this week, we had another ranging market, right? You can as well check your weekly candle and find out what it produced, and then you have a better understanding of what we're talking about. So this week was also a sideways market, more or less, but we're able to get some pips here and there based on scalping that we did, right? Because at the end of the day, it's not all the time that the market will give you trading opportunities, maybe based on position or swing or intraday. At times, you might have to go into the scalping area. So if you're not a scalper, don't worry, just exercise more patience. So just a few of the trades that we took, and then we posted them on different places. Here is the gold. As you can see, we took this up on the 5 minute time frame. Price pulled back to this area here, of support. And you can see a bunch of levels here that acted as resistance in the past and then as support. And then this was where we got our launch over here. Stop loss was just below. And then, of course, the rest was history. Because this particular trade, it gave us, I think, about 130 pips thereabout, and our risk wasn't much at all. So for gold, here is the gold on the daily time frame. Now, another thing I normally do personally is to do screenshots of the trades I've taken for the week. So it will always help me for my market review, right? And of course, I follow playbook. I have a playbook of, trades that I have seen in the past that I like, that I want to be doing on a regular. So I have my playbook, and of course, they always fit into, the playbooks that I have. So it's just a way to be sure that I am following my rules. This was another one that we had, a fantastic trade that we had over here on the cable GBP USD. We had our position here long, and of course, we had TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, and so on. And then we got out over here when it got to TP1. It was a very good trade as well. And as I always say, always ensure that you let your runners to run and then minimize your losses, because that's what risk management is all about. And then this was the result. As you can see, we took out our profit over here. So we had a bunch of trades here and there that did pretty well during the week, but then I want to explain one more thing, that the week was more or less sideways. There was a lot of ranging in the market. And if you look at the calendar, as well for this week, you notice that on Monday we had news for the dollar. On Tuesday we didn't have anything. On Wednesday we didn't have anything for the dollar. Thursday we had for the dollar, and then Friday nothing for the dollar. So when it came to the USD, we didn't have the news that would give us that heavy volatility. We didn't have the news that would give us that serious momentum in the market. But if you look at next week, because this is February 4th to February 10th, if you look at next week, I'll just punch here and then look. Next week, Monday, we don't have anything for the dollar. Tuesday, we have for the dollar. What do we have for the dollar on Tuesday? Guys, look at this. We have the CPI. This is another crazy news. You need to be aware of those high impact news that tend to move the market. Those are the ones that you need to ensure, if you don't have any directional bias, that you stay away from, right? And of course, you could, as we always say, combine your fundamentals with your technicals. Don't let it be a thing of you have the news coming out and then you just click on buy or click on sell based on what you get over here. But it should be a thing of you click on buy, click on sell from the technical point of view, using support, resistance, Fibonacci, whatever trading strategy you're using from the technical point of view, and then you combine it with the fundamentals. It gives you that much, confluence, that much power at the end of the day on your trades. So next week, we're hoping that this market that we've had so far on the dollar, the ranging market, we're hoping that we end up breaking out of it totally, right? Let me just clean this up quickly, and then we can look at it from like the 4 hours time frame, just to show you what we've been having for a while now. Remember the area that we marked earlier? This was it over here, where the market was ranging, and then for what we're having now, this is what we have over here now, right? So as we have this here, the market now is in another range. This is a wedge. And of course, in every wedge, what we're expecting the market to do is to either break to the upside, pull back, and then launch, or break to the downside, pull back to that broken trend line, and then drop some more. So this is the 4 hours time frame. And of course, this is our prediction against next week. And don't forget, we have some key data coming out next week as well. So always pay attention to the fundamentals and the technicals as well. Very key, very, very important. It's Friday, so I'm going to cut this short. And then if you have any question, please feel free to comment below. What we do now, we try to answer questions using videos, right? So it will be easier for everybody to understand. You can play back, pause, rewind, and whatever the case may be so that you understand. I have a couple of videos I'm going to be doing for a few people based on questions that they have asked. Like the one that we did not too long ago had to do with time frames, the best time frame to make use of as a trader. So we'll do other, questions and answers in video format to help everybody. So if there's any issue that you are having, let us know. And then of course, we'll do videos for you. So as we're rounding up now, I just want to quickly say this, that you can get more information, right? If you are a beginner or you're a struggling trader, you can head over to the school's website, right? That is training.csforex.com/school. The link will be in the description below. And then if you scroll down, you can get to take advantage of all the information that we have here. If you are new, you don't have a demo account, open a demo account. This is the link for you. If you are new, you don't even understand how to set stop loss and take profit, here is a free webinar to teach you how to use the trading application, how to interpret the news fundamentals, how to drop your support and resistance, read price action, risk management, minimize, maximize, and also trading psychology. The whole 9 is over here. And then we tend to have like weekend sessions, trainings, check here. Whenever we're having, you see the update here and so on. We have a trading room. Right, for the trading room is based on subscription, and you can scroll down over here and then subscribe to join us. What we're going to be doing for those that want to pass the prop firms, for those that want to take their trading to the next level, you can subscribe for a month, $97. Another thing that we do that is very unique is that we have an a robot that's going to help you for a lot of things, trade management, going to help you to also place trades based on break or bounce. Because think about it, when you place a trade, you are placing a trade based on it breaking a particular level or bouncing off a particular level. So it's going to be a semi-automated EA robot. And of course, we'll give you more information on that as time progresses. It's going to be one that's going to help simplify trading. It's going to be one that's going to help traders to, this is it over here, the CSA 4X version 1. Is version 1. We're going to be doing upgrades, updates of it, obviously, as time progresses, because we have some things planned for the year, and to be good for you to take advantage of this now. So with that said, I want to say a big thank you to you guys. Don't forget, use this weekend to check on your charts, do market review, look at the dollar, look at the fiber, Euro USD, look at the cable, gold, whatever instrument you trade, just have a look at them and find out how they did this week as opposed to how you were able to manage your trades, place your trades, and so on. And you have any other questions, feel free to use the comment section below. If you are new to our section as well, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. It helps us to grow, and it also helps others that need to learn one or two things to get connected to the channel. Thank you guys. Do enjoy the rest of your weekend, and please make sure to stay safe, right? Thank you guys, and cheers for now. Goodbye.